Ka ngau a Tangaroa I ngā takutai huri noa I te ao, ka me meha haere ngā urupā, ngā wāhi moe o ngā tūpuna.
And I think of Tekoraki, our urupā and Moeraki, and the amount of metres that's lost in the last 25 years.
Ko Mauriri McGlinchey he kaimahi ohotata mo te tai o ārai te uru. Ko tāna, kua ngaro rātou o Moeraki I ngā mita e te kau o tētahi o ngā urupā.
We're having to intern ko iwi and our tūpuna, we're having to do those things and take them back. And the mamae that comes with those things, and it makes me quite angry when I think of our Pacific brothers and sisters who have really bought into this. They know the impact, they're living it, they know it's happening. So for us to ignore those cries and calls from our Pacific brothers and sisters across the Pacific, and us knowing what it's just doing to our own whenua, I think it's what it's become is it's quite annoying that we're still talking about these things.
Weather problems like king tides, torrential rain, storm surges causing flooding, issues with erosion.
Pacific Islands have structural issues, what we call vulnerabilities, and that's the main problem in these places. What we found is, yes, climate change is an issue, but we have to solve these structural issues. Climate change is not only responsible for that. Men action are also responsible for coastal erosions.
I hono atua mere naulu matua kia McGlinchey I tētahi awheawhe hanga motu ki te wānanga UN Adaptation Futures. E ai ki aia, kei te pā mai taua ahuatanga ki tō rātou kāinga I whiti anō.
We are seeing now that many of these cemeteries are being inundated by storm surges or even by heavy rainwater. Things are soil is getting washed away. So when we see them start falling apart or being washed away, it really does break our hearts, the family at least, to say, oh, so-and-so's grave, we can't see it anymore. And so it's sort of lost in that sense that once the physical connection is no longer there, it becomes a memory.
Nā, mō te awheawhe, I whakamauru raua I ēnei take.
They gave us the scenarios, big city here, little village over here, smaller traditional village over here. And then we built onto that and had to look at the environmental impacts, what climate's doing, and all the social things that come with it.
I had marked a cemetery, and the issue of climate change impacts on the cemetery came up, and it was quite a topic there that I didn't think many people would be talking about it.
Is that a big problem in islands like this?
The solution, they were saying, was to record using technology. You can map out the whole gravesite and know exactly where so-and-so was buried, but at the same time, if an event happened, that record is not lost.
Ka tiro whakamua a naulu matua me McGlinchey ki te whakahoki ēnei kōrero ki tō rātou kāinga. Ko te mana ko nui, kia mau tonu rātou ki ngā maharatanga o ngā tūpuna. Ora kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.